Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you are here for the first time, my name is Purba. Welcome to my channel. Today's look is going to be more glammed up look for Eid. This is perfect for Eid nighttime glam, and for today's eye look, I'm going to create a pinkish smoky shimmery eyes using Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial. And as always, if you do, then please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's begin. I'm starting off with the eye makeup. I'm priming my eyes with Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. And I'm setting this with Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. For today's eye look, I'm going to use Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. The first shade I'm going to use is called Certified. This is a white matte shade. I'm going to use this shade on my brow bone to highlight. I'm gonna use the shade Love Handles all over my crease, and this will be my transition shade. I'm using the shade Positivity to bring back some warmth on my crease. I'm packing the shade Tipsy Girl on my outer V area and slowly building this color by bringing this shade on my inner corner. I'm slowly building up the density of my outer V area by packing the shade Stay True on my outer V and slowly building this up and blending this towards my crease. Finally, I'm using the shade Crazy on my outer V area to bring back more depth on my eye look. I'm dipping the wet brush onto the shade Drama Queen and started to apply on my crease. Now I'm using the shade Crazy to blend with the shimmery shade on my outer V area. Now I'm packing the shade Tipsy Girl beside the shade Crazy and Drama Queen to blend them seamlessly. Finally, I'm packing the shade Positivity beside Tipsy Girl and Drama Queen so that there remains no harsh lines. Now I'm highlighting my inner corner with the shade I'm in it. Before priming my face, I'm using the MAC Strobe cream in the shade Pinklite all over my face. I'm spreading the cream by dotting it all over my face and giving a soft massage all over my face. For getting long-lasting base all day long, I'm using MAC prep+prime Fix Plus in the shade Goldlite all over my face. I'm starting my base makeup. I have already put moisturizer on my skin, and to prime my face, I'm using Benefit Porefessional primer. This has kind of a peachy tinge to it, so it's going to take care of a little bit of color correction for you as well. I'm going to apply small dots on my face and give my face a nice massage before I move on to the next step. To correct some of the pigmentation that I have, I'm gonna be mixing 2 shades of Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Orange Corrector and Pure Beige. This is something that I use on a regular basis. It's very affordable and very easily available. With a brush, I'm gonna apply just under my eyes, around my mouth and dark spots. I'm gonna blend the concealers with a damp beauty blender. And then I'm gonna very lightly set it with the Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder so that it sets and doesn't mix with the foundation. For foundation, I'm gonna use Estée Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade Cashew. I'm just dotting it around my face, and to blend it out, I'm using a damp beauty blender. Using the Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze, I'm going to contour my face. So this is going to be a cream contour with the same damp beauty blender, the one that I used for blending the foundation. I'm going to be using the cream contour around my face, in the circumference, in the hollows of my cheekbones, the jawline, and then to contour my nose. For concealer, I'm going to be using Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. I'm going to be using it around my eyes and mouth, and for highlighting, I'm going to be using the Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige. I'm going to be using it on the bridge of my nose, cupid bow, chin, on the center of my forehead, under the hollows of my jawline. I'm gonna blend the concealers with a damp beauty blender. With the ELF Total Face Brush, I'm taking the same loose powder from Makeup Revolution and setting in areas where I applied the concealer first, because that's where I tend to crease. And then using MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NC40, I'm going to distribute the powder all over my face to set it. For sculpting my face, I'm gonna be using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics to warm up my face, and the brush that I'm using is Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. For blush, I'm going to be using Tarte blush in the shade Quirky, using Real Techniques blush brush on my cheeks, nose and chin as well. I'm packing the shade Crazy under my lower lash line with a flat definer brush to bring some definition on my lower lash line. I'm packing the shade Stay True just under the shade Crazy with the same flat definer brush and blending them together. I'm blending the previous two shades with the shade Tipsy Girl. Finally, I'm using the shade Positivity to blend all the shades together. And then using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus in the shade Goldlite, I'm going to lock the base makeup so it doesn't move. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the Mary Luminizer from the Balm Cosmetics, and I'm going to apply it with Real Techniques brush for a very subtle glow on the highest points of my face. I'm using the Kohl liner from Huda Beauty Life Liner on my waterline and tight line. I'm using the liner from Huda Beauty Life Liner on my upper lash line. I'm using Wet n Wild Lash Renegade Mascara on my upper and lower lashes. To match with my gorgeous eye makeup, I decided to go with a bright plum shade lipstick. This is a retro matte lipstick from the MAC Cosmetics in the shade Flat Out Fabulous. I have applied false lashes off camera, and so yeah, that's a finished tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.